Okay, now we're going to go over how to get your own domain name registered. And by domain name, I mean www.yourname.com or whatever you choose to have as your own domain name. It's pretty important that you have one. You don't have to, but I recommend it. It gives you a little bit of credibility, and plus, it's really not that expensive. So, the company I use to register my domain names is a company called Prenic, and their address is http://www.pre-nic.com. You can see it right up here at the top of my screen, pre-nic.com. And the reason I use these guys is because they're inexpensive. It's only 19 bucks. Other places are going to charge you 50. And the company is owned by the website host that I use. And I'm going to go over how to set up a website hosting company in a minute. So it's good to have them both kind of in the same company, so if something goes wrong with one or whatever, you don't have to juggle in between companies. So I use Prenic, pre-nic.com. They're great guys, and here's how you do it. You go to their website and you click on register over here on the left. That's going to take you to the place where you choose what your domain is, and you type in whatever name you want, and if it's already taken, it's going to tell you if it's already taken. I'm going to type in some kind of ridiculous name that I know won't be taken for the sake of making this tutorial move on a little faster. Of course, you would never choose a name like this, but you see my point. Okay, you click Start Registration, and here you have all the different choices that you can have in your extensions of this domain name. And by extension, I mean whether it be .com or .net or .org or whatever. I always just try to stick with the .coms. So, you just check which one you want, click on Reserve Now. You're going to need to be a new client here, unless you've used Prenic before. So you check the New Client button, scroll down the page a bit, make up a username and password, whatever you want to use, and then click Next. It'll take you to your ordering screen, and that's all there is to it. Alright, let's move on to the next video.